Hello again. Today's class, the fourth of the six series for core beginners course, was focused again on correlating how we move and how we breathe, bringing together how we move and how we breathe. We are working on going deeper into our energetic tone, and we are focusing on our breath. There are 4 stages in the breath: the inhale, the pause after the inhale, the exhale, the pause after the exhale. In each of us, they are of different lengths, different intensities, depending on how we naturally breathe. Now, while we're working with the breath in the core class, the awareness on the inner workings of the breath is what keeps us in our body. On the inhale, there's a natural lift. The spine elongates, we breathe into the belly, the rib cage, the chest and throat. So we open up our inner space. And that opening up tones the muscles. It also engages the trunk, and it brings integrity. It brings integrity, it brings strength, it brings space into the body. It sort of like connects the lower body to the upper body. A lot of the abdominal muscles are breathing muscles. So the diaphragm, transversals, obliques. So all of those switch on. I don't want to get too much into the anatomy of this. It's great to know it, but we'll go deeper on the other levels. So the breathing muscles tone the body from the inside out, and they make our effort be energetic rather than physical. So I'm not asking you to pull the belly in. I'm not asking you to do that. That would somehow restrict the space of your breath. I'm asking you to open the space out, keep it open by bringing the breastbone down, and become aware of it. So the awareness is the key word here. It might seem as an abstract concept, but it's actually quite easy to feel, and feeling is the key. Awareness in this case is feeling the body. You feel the body, and you feel that nice activation, that spark of power that's in you, you go with it, because there are 2 ways. You either go with it, and you'll feel it getting bigger and bigger, and that spark becomes a fire. And 10 minutes into the practice, you're like, wow, this is really intense. It is really intense, but I said it with a smile on my face, but I'm loving it. My body's getting energized. So this shift from the physical effort to the energetic effort makes it more fun. It makes it more enjoyable. It makes it truly empowering. You are developing your strength. You are keeping the body open, which means you're working on your mobility, but you're also tapping into your inner power. So that's what's so fun about it, because it's truly empowering. On the other hand, if you don't go with it, and you drop that awareness, you're, no matter how much you try to bring that power in from the outside in, it'll feel like a struggle. It'll feel like it'll feel like lifting a very heavy weight, because again, what we're doing is quite intense, but it feels light. It feels intense, but it feels light. We're very we go into big spaces, and then we go into more concentrated spaces. we open the heart, and then we open the hips. So we're in our physical practice, it keeps us very, very open, very mobile. In our energetic practice, wherever the intensity goes, we're able to go with it. But there's only one rule, the rule of awareness. And that's where the pauses come in. So the pause after the inhale, you're tapping into that calm, big space, the tone that you have in your body, the integrity that you have in your body, the balance that you have in your body, the space you have in your body. Yes, I said space. The pause at the end of the exhale, it's like switching the turbo mode on the inner tone, but it's also an active release. You are actively going into that space, you're holding it open, the intensity increases, but because you're supporting it from the inside, it's manageable. And I know the body sometimes, might be shaking, but how stable did you feel? How focused did you feel in it? How much did you actually know about what your body and your breath were doing? Which was my goal, because in that pause, both of the pauses, you have your awareness comes to the fore. Your body is not doing anything. Well, you might be moving, but you're not breathing in, you're not breathing out. So you're staying with the inhale, you're staying with the exhale. You're not doing anything. You are just letting yourself open. It's like opening the inner eye, like tapping into an inner sense of how your body is really working, how your body's stabilizing, how your body's balancing, how your body's moving, changing direction, engaging strength. And you probably have seen that in our big post today in the side back. So we held it there, we held it open. There's always a variation I show you, just to see if you're just to get you to see and feel the breath, rather than go for the physical effort. So that was it for today. Enjoy doing this as a micro practice as well. The pauses at the end of the breath, at the end of the inhale, at the end of the exhale, are something that you can practice throughout your day. You don't need a warm up for it. There's the only thing that you need to be mindful of is not trying to control your breath. Again, bringing awareness to it, slowing it down naturally is one thing, like you are slowing down on your stroll. Controlling it is somebody actively trying to keep you from moving forward. So let the breath slow down in awareness, and notice the clarity you get into the pauses. Notice the focus, the concentration, the integrity, the strength you feel depending on what you're doing, the focus. So there's loads of benefits to slowing down and pausing, and I think I've said it in one of the flow videos as well, because it's a wonderful thing to focus on at this level. So enjoy the pause, feel the power of the pause, and whatever you do, let me know how you get on. Thank you for today. Have fun.